Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat voice messages. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat voice messages, you should just go to settings. After that, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will enter to this window of Snapchat and we click. Here in this window, you will go to click for stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. It's already clear. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about Snapchat. When you find it, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.